Well, it's Thursday morning, the crack of dawn, 8:10. The timepiece has been setting all night long. She's right on the money, 8:10. Pretty cool. Tim and I are out scouting a new farmer's market. Opens today through Sunday, 11 to 7 p.m. It's been around for eight or 10 years maybe. I don't know why we never heard of it before, but we're going to check it out right now. Well, it's all gated. Farm market. Church Street Farm Market. This is inside. Not a bad little spot. Well, I'm getting ready for the afternoon gig. Package came. I've been expecting it, but I didn't know about it. It's a new Wicked Edge Pro 3. Hold on a minute. You set the angle here instead of on the sides. Got a locking arm in here and the rods that go in there. That's compared to the old one over here. I may carry it with me today and give her a try. There you go. This locks it in place. That sets the degrees. And you put one of these in one hand, one of these in the other hand, and you go to town paddling. Ready to go. Okay. The one thing I dislike about this thing already is the height. I'm sitting down at my table, and the vise is almost at the bottom of my nose. That means my hand's going to be way up here in the air. I may have to get a separate little table for this taquito to sit on, a lower table. But I like everything else about it. I do. Put your paddles under here. I bought it with no paddles because I had a flock of paddles. And that's the other thing about the Wicked Edge I don't like is the accessory cost. The basic sharpener is not too bad, but man, oh man, the taquito paddles are wowie baby. They say they don't last. They say they last forever. That's bull crap. You sharpen a lot of knives like I do, they don't last very long. I found that out the first year and a half I used it at the knife show at the gig here before I had power. I sharpened a lot of knives with it, but I carried a lot of knives home on Sunday too, because I couldn't keep up. I don't have that problem anymore. I'll get back to you in a little bit. I'm all set up now. Got everything ready. Some of the vendors are setting up. We got about an hour. No, we got 45 minutes, I guess, before 4 o'clock. Let's see what this fine taquito says. It's 2:50, so we got an hour and 10 minutes. He's clicking right along, this little taquito. There's the Flying Pig barbecue. There's the ice cream vendor. Stand by.
I'll be back. Really?
Good night.
Yeah.
Oyster stew. More cakes and pies and breads.
Our empanadas, they're chicken, we have ground beef empanadas.
Veggies. I see something of my take home tonight. We got corn too. Boss man and Uncle Russ. On some restaurant knives that I picked up yesterday. I picked up today with Tim. My 2 weekly round job. I got a call from a guy a little while ago, said he was going to bring me 7 shuns. So I'm waiting on him. We'll see how that goes. First real customer is a pair of nice Ginger scissors. The lady said, I got a lot of knives in this bag for you. The first piece of paper on the right had 3 Henkels in it. Birds beak, 2 pairs. I don't know what's in there. I'm afraid to take a look. Stand by. Well, here's all the bigger ones. Henkel, a nice global. Gerber. Ustall. I was wondering what these were. These are Gerbers. I couldn't make them out, but they got the same handle as these. Got 3 Gerbers. Nice Gerbers too. Woodstock, a Henkel, a Global, a big, nice, fat shun. I like it. And here are all the little knives. 1, 2, 5 more little knives. I think that's another Gerber. Henkel, bird's beak Henkel. That's a Woodstock right there. And this is an old Henkel. So all in all, she's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, a dozen knives. Good gracious. You can see them or not, but the shun is full of little microchips. As I kind of expected it, a lot of them are. The Global is the same way, but not nearly as bad as the shun was. I had 2 sets of lopers. Now I got 3 nice mundials. And 2 pair of scissors. 2 pair of hedge trimmers and 1 pair of pruners. Same customer.